Hi, my name is Siti Sarah binti Abdul Hamid. My student ID 202443198. To begin, our topic is global compensation, benefits and payroll complexity. This refers to the challenges multinational companies face in managing employee salaries, benefits, taxes and payroll across different countries. These challenges occur because each country has different labor laws, tax regulations, economic conditions and cultural expectations. Global compensation and payroll management involve designing and managing employee remuneration, benefits, incentive, tax obligations, and payroll processes across international operations. For multinational companies, managing these areas can be difficult because they need to balance global consistency with local responsiveness. In other words, they must maintain fair and standardized compensation practices while adapting to local requirements in different countries. Therefore, effective compensation and payroll management are important to ensure fairness, legal compliance, and smooth business operations across global markets. Now, let me discuss why effective compensation management is important for multinational companies. First, it helps organizations attract and retain talented employees from around the world. Competitive salaries and benefits encourage employees to join and remain with the company. Second, fair compensation helps maintain employee motivation and job satisfaction. When employees feel valued and rewarded appropriately, they are more likely to perform well and contribute to organizational success. In addition, multinational companies must comply with different labor laws and tax regulations in every country where they operate. Effective compensation management helps organizations avoid legal issues and financial penalties. Furthermore, it promotes fairness and consistency across international operations, ensuring employees are treated equitably despite working in different locations. Overall, effective compensation management supports organizational performance and strengthens a company's competitiveness in the global market. Next, there are several factors that contribute to global compensation, benefits, and payroll complexity. First, different countries have different labor laws regarding wages, overtime pay, employee protection, and leave entitlements. This makes it difficult for multinational companies to implement a single compensation system across all countries. Second, currency fluctuations and affect payroll costs and compensation budgets. Changes in exchange rates may increase or decrease the actual cost of paying employees in different regions. Third, organizations must comply with different tax regulations, reporting requirements, and social security contributions in each country. This increases administrative complexity and compliance risks. In addition, employees from different countries often have different expectations regarding compensation and benefits. For example, some employees may value healthcare benefits, while others may prioritize retirement or family-related benefits. Finally, the growth of international assignments, remote work, and multinational operations has made workforce management more complex than ever before. These factors create significant challenges for multinational companies in managing compensation fairly, efficiently, and compliantly across global operations.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Ali Faikal bin Saharuddin. My part is to explain the causes of global compensation, benefit and payroll complexity in multinational companies. Firstly, different labor laws and regulation across countries create major challenge. Each country has its own rules on wages, working hour, taxes and employee benefit. For example, Malaysia has EPF and so, while France and the US have different legal requirement. This forces companies to constantly adjust their payroll system to stay compliant. Secondly, currency exchange rate fluctuation also affect payroll management. Changes in exchange rate can increase or decrease salary costs and affect employee purchasing power, making budget less stable for organization. Thirdly, different tax system and reporting requirement and more complexity. Companies must calculate taxes correctly and submit payroll report according to each country's rules, which increase the risk of error and compliance issues. Another cause is diverse employee expectation. Employees in different region value different benefit. For example, healthcare is highly prioritized in the US, while longer annual leave is more important in Europe. This make it difficult to design a single global compensation system. Lastly, global workforce expansion such as remote work and international assignment increase the difficulty of managing payroll across multiple countries. In conclusion, these factors together make global compensation and payroll highly complex for multinational companies. Thank you.
My name is Shamin Yusof bin Suhaimi and my ID number is 2024227582. I will presenting the impact of global compensation, benefits and payroll complexity on organizations. Firstly, managing payroll across multiple countries can increase administrative costs. Organizations need advanced payroll systems and additional resources to handle employees' payment, compliance and reporting. Secondly, companies face compliance and legal risk because each country has different labor laws and tax regulations. Failure to comply may result in penalties, fines, or legal issues. Another impact is employee dissatisfaction. Payroll errors, delayed payment, or unfair benefits can reduce employee trust, motivations, and overall job satisfaction. In addition, organizations may struggle to attract and retain talented employees if their compensation and benefits package are not competitive enough in the global market. Lastly, payroll complexity can create operational inefficiencies. Manual process and inaccurate data can lead to errors, causing employees and managers to spend time solving payroll issues instead of focusing on business objectives. In conclusion, global compensations, benefits and payroll complexity can affect organizations through higher costs, compliance risk, employee dissatisfaction, talent retention challenges, and operational inefficiencies. Therefore, effective payroll management is essential to support a productive global workforce.
Hi, my name is Nur Hasha Farhana binti Ameh. My student ID 20244334886. I will be presenting the solution to address global compensation, benefit, and payroll complexity through performance management and training and development strategy. Firstly, organization can improve performance management by implementing Global Key Performance Indicator or KPI. Global KPI provide a standardized method of measuring employees' performance across different countries. This help multinational company align employee goals with organization objective while ensuring fairness and consistency in performance evaluation regardless of location. Secondly, organizations should adopt performance-based reward by linking bonuses, incentive, and recognition program to employees' performance. Company can motivate employees to achieve higher level of productivity. Performance-based reward also help organization attract and retain talent employees, which is essential in today's competitive global labor market. The third performance management solution is the use of HR analytics. HR analytics enables organizations to collect and analyze workforce data to support better decision making. Through the data-driven insight, company can monitor payroll accuracy, identify compensation gap, track compliance issue, and improve the overall effectiveness of compensation management. Moving on to the training and development solution. The first strategy is payroll compliance training. Since labor law, tax regulation, and employment requirements differ across countries, HR and payroll professionals must be trained regularly on local regulation. This helps reduce payroll error, improves compliance, and minimize the risk of legal penalty and financial losses. The second strategy is cross-cultural compensation training. Employees in different countries often have different expectations regarding salary, benefit, and reward. Cross-cultural training helps HR professionals understand this difference and design compensation packages that are fair, culturally appropriate, and aligned with employee needs. This can improve employees' satisfaction and engagement across global operations. The final strategy is HR technology training. As many organizations use digital payroll and HR management systems, employees and HR personnel must be trained to use this technology effectively. HR technology training improves data accuracy, increase operational efficiency, and help streamline payroll process across multiple countries. In conclusion, implementing global KPI, performance-based reward, HR analytics, payroll compliance training, cross-cultural compensation training, and HR technology training can help organizations overcome global compensation, benefit, and payroll complexity while improving compliance, efficiency, and employees' satisfaction.
Hello, good day everyone. I am Fahmi Azali and I will be presenting compensation programs. The first solution is the Global Compensation Framework. This involves establishing a standardized pay structure across all countries by defining a global pay philosophy, using consistent job evaluation system, and benchmarking salaries against international market standards. At the same time, organizations should make local adjustments based on the cost of living and legal requirements to ensure fairness and competitiveness. The second solution is a localized benefit strategy. Since employees in different countries have different expectations and legal entitlements, organizations should design benefits that reflect local labor laws, cultural preferences, and employee needs. Providing relevant healthcare, retirement, and statutory benefits helps improve employee satisfaction while ensuring compliance with local regulations. The third solution is flexible benefit program. Rather than offering the same benefits package to everyone, companies can allow employees to choose benefits that best suit their personal needs and life stages. This flexibility promotes employee well-being, increases engagement, and enables organizations to manage benefit costs more effectively. And the final solution is integrated payroll system. By implementing a unified global payroll system, organizations can automate payroll calculations, tax compliance, and reporting across multiple countries. This improves payroll accuracy, reduces administrative errors, strengthens data security, and provides real-time insight for better decision-making. And in conclusion, global compensation, benefits, and payroll complexity remains a critical challenge for multinational organizations operating across diverse countries and regulatory environments. However, by implementing effective compensation programs alongside strong performance management and continuous training and development, organizations can overcome these challenges successfully. The key to success is balancing global consistency with local flexibility. This allows organizations to maintain fairness, comply with local regulations, improve employee satisfaction, and enhance operational efficiency. Ultimately, these strategies help organizations attract and retain talented employees while supporting sustainable business growth and long-term global competitiveness. That's very much it from us, Group 6. Thank you very much.